In the heart of the rainforest, thousands of leafcutter ants work together like a perfect army. Each tiny ant carries a leaf piece bigger than its own body. But these ants are not eating the leaves. They use them to grow a special fungus underground, their real food source. Deep beneath the forest floor, millions of ants live in giant colonies with workers, soldiers, and a powerful queen. These incredible insects are among nature's greatest farmers, building one of the most advanced societies in the animal world.